Here I have BLACKBERRY Key2 and let me show you how to enable backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, find and select the apps icon, choose here settings, scroll down and here you need to find system. From system let's tap backup. Here we need to enable backup to Google Drive, let me do it. Then you need to add the backup account, so let's do it. The device is checking info. So here you can sign in into the backup account, let me do it, and you can do it in two ways. You can create a new one or you can use the existing Google account. In my case, let me use the existing one. So now it's time to enter the email to my account. Alright, now let's enter the password, so let me do it. Let's tap here next, so let me choose next. Tap agree to terms of use and privacy policy. The phone is checking info. And now you just enable backup to Google Drive, so let me leave it enabled also here. Tap accept, tap OK. And that's it, just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account. Here you've got active backups, so the app data, call history, contacts, device settings, SMS, text messages and other stuff. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.